How to fix Character.ai app won't let me log in. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are not able to log in the Character.ai app, then there might be a couple of reasons. The first reason is connectivity issue. You want to make sure that you are connected with a stable internet. For that, you can open up any web browser to check. Now, head over to any website that checks your internet speed. Make sure that you are connected with stable internet. You can try switching from Wi-Fi to data or data to Wi-Fi. Now, if internet is not the issue, the second step is to make sure that you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and here you want to search for Character AI. If you find the update button, tap on that. Once you have updated the application, glitches and bugs will be fixed and you will be able to log in. However, if you are not able to log in, next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Then you want to scroll down and tap on the apps option. Here, you want to find Character AI, then simply tap on that. Now tap on the storage option. Here, tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data. Once you have done that, open the application, log into your account and check if you are able to log in now. If you are still not able to log in, uninstall this application. Tap and hold on this and then tap on the uninstall option. After that, you want to open up Play Store, then tap on the install button here. Once you have reinstalled the application, you will be able to log in without any issue. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.